So for most people, when they think of Indian food, they usually think of tikka masala. It is a quintessential comfort food loved by all and for good reason. Today we're making a paneer tikka masala. Paneer is a fresh cheese. It's really firm, so it's gonna hold up well in this sauce. Once the oil's heated up a little bit, we're gonna add our cumin seeds. Hear that sizzle. And then we're gonna toss in some onions and peppers. And we just wanna cook these until they're nice and soft. So once the peppers and onions have softened, we're gonna add in a little garlic and give that a stir until the garlic is nice and fragrant. All right, we're gonna add our cubed paneer. Now the great thing here is if you wanna add in different vegetables, everything would work really well. Now we're gonna add what I like to call liquid gold. This is the Tikka Masala Simmer Sauce, and it's gonna bring the entire dish together. So this is a sauce that I crave often but don't always have the time to make. It has cinnamon, cardamom, green chilies, and garlic, all in a creamy tomato base. Smells magical. All right, so this has been simmering for a while. It smells so delicious. So I'm gonna have this with a little bit of basmati rice, which is my favorite way to enjoy it. We're gonna pour this right on top. The sauce is so luscious and so creamy. We're gonna garnish with a little cilantro. Now this is what I call comfort in a bowl. Seriously, so good.